gonna go after me?
Leela, get in your spot.
Run.
Won't we act like we're going to sleep now? Lay down, everybody.
She wants to attack me. I'm gonna let her do her honors. She goes first.
Izzy, is this your bed? Is that why you're attacking her? Are you going night-night?
She's evil. But she's a nice baby. She's a good baby.